Coming back from timeout, 9-1 Johnny's team. Will from 3 and Johnny from inside has really run up the score here. We're going to 11, best of 3 series. Game 1 here. We just need a 2 to end it. Kenny gets the switch on Omama as he gets a nice pick, but
that's off of Kenny. It's 8-8, isn't it?
9-1.
Stripped. Kenny with the ball back.
Score is 9-1. I just want to just a fan, a heckler, dare I say.
Johnny trying to go in, gets a nice put up.
Score is now 10-1.
Hey, we can take our time. Take our time.
Who is going to be the hero?
I can't hear you without the megaphone.
We need 1 bucket to call this game.
Is going to be the hero.
The other way.
Mid-range.
Actually 10-1.
Turn around. Fade away.
Yeah.
Kenny puts it away, and that's game. 11-1, game 1 in the championship series.
No. That's game 1.
That's what I said.
Oh.
All right. Will, good? Feeling good?
I mean, we'll see how the next game goes.
All right. We got a gallery here for the championship game.
Victor will need to exit the premises, please. Victor, please evacuate the court. We need 1